गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। मैं केमिकल फार्मूला निकालने के लिए बता रहे थे तरीका, जो आपको बाद में फिर नेक्स्ट उसी चीज़ को मैं आगे प्रोसीड करता हूँ। नाइट्रेट का बताया था आपको, अब हम नेक्स्ट का बताएंगे आपको। नेक्स्ट इज नाइट्रेट, नाइट्राइट, नाइट्राइट symbol is NO2 minus nitrite ion, valency is 1. So you have to write the formula of calcium nitrate. How can you write the formula of calcium nitrate? Calcium nitrate. First to write the symbol of both calcium and nitrate. Calcium is Ca, nitrite is NO2. Okay. Right, put the valency. Calcium is 2 valency, nitrite is 1. Chemical formula is CaNO2 whole twice. Calcium nitrate is the formula of calcium nitrate. Write the calcium formula of sodium nitrate. Sodium nitrite. How can you write the chemical formula of sodium nitrite? Write the symbol Na, nitrite is NO2. Write, put the valency of both. Sodium valency is 1, nitrite valency is also 1. Then chemical formula is NaNO2 sodium nitrate. Okay. Write the formula of aluminum nitrite. Aluminum nitrite. Aluminum nitrate. Aluminum nitrite. First write the symbol. Aluminum is Al, nitrite is NO2. Put the valency of both. Aluminum valency is 3, nitrite is 1. Cross multiplication. Then you get formula Al NO2 whole thrice. This is the chemical formula of aluminum nitride, AlNO2 whole thrice. Okay. Then you write the chemical formula of zinc nitrite. Zinc nitrite. How can you write the chemical formula of zinc nitrite? First put the both symbol. Zinc is Zn, nitrite is NO2. Put the valency of both. Zinc valency is 2, nitrite valency is 1. So chemical formula is ZnNO2 whole twice. This is the chemical formula of zinc nitrate. Now next, nitrite. 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 Nitrite symbol is N3 minus. Okay. Its valency is 3. Valency is 3. Okay. You have to write the chemical formula of sodium nitrite. Sodium nitride. वो नाइट्राइट था, ये नाइट्राइड है। तीन होता है, नाइट्रेट, नाइट्राइट एंड नाइट्राइड। तीनों का अलग अलग। सोडियम, यू हैव टू राइट द सिंबल. सोडियम इज Na, नाइट्राइड इज N. पुट द वैलेंसी ऑफ बोथ. सोडियम वैलेंसी इज 1, नाइट्राइड इज 3. केमिकल फार्मूला इज Na3N. Sodium nitrite chemical formula is Na3N. Now you write the chemical formula of magnesium nitrate. How can you write the chemical formula of magnesium nitrite? Magnesium nitrite. First write the symbol of both. Magnesium is Mg, nitrite is N. Put the valency of both. Do you know valency of magnesium is 2, and nitrite is 3. Cross multiply. What is chemical formula? Mg3N2. Chemical formula is Mg3N2. This is chemical formula of magnesium nitrite, Mg3N2. Now write the chemical formula of lead nitrite. Lead nitrite. First write the symbol of both. Lead is Pb and nitrite is N. Put the valency of both. Lead is 2 valency, nitrite is 3. Formula is Pb3N2. Okay. Now you write the chemical formula of aluminum nitrite. Aluminum nitrite. Okay. First you write the symbol. Aluminum is Al, nitrite is N. Then put the valency of both. Aluminum valency is 3, nitrite is 3. Equal valency. So ratio is 1, 1. 1, 1. Apply cross multiplication. Then formula is AlN. Aluminum nitrite is AlN. Okay. Now you write the chemical formula of ammonium nitrate. Ammonium nitrate. What is the chemical formula of ammonium nitrate? What is the symbol of ammonium ion? NH4 plus. Valence is 1. NH4 or nitrite is N. Put the valency of both. Ammonium valence is 1, nitrite is 3. Cross multiply. NH4 whole thrice N. This is the chemical formula of ammonium nitrite. Now come to the next. Next is your phosphate. Phosphate. Phosphate ion. What is symbol of phosphate? PO4. PO4 3 minus charge. Phosphate. Okay. Its valence is 3. You have to write the chemical formula of sodium phosphate. Sodium phosphate. Okay. First you write the symbol of both. Sodium is Na, phosphate is PO4. Put the symbol of both. Sodium valence is 1, phosphate is 3. Na3 PO4. This is the chemical formula of phosphate. Okay. Now you have write the chemical formula of calcium phosphate. Calcium phosphate. What is the chemical formula of calcium phosphate? First you write the symbol of both. Calcium is Ca, phosphate is PO4. Put the valency of both. Calcium valency is 2, phosphate is 3. Cross multiply. What is the chemical formula? Ca3 PO4 whole twice. PO4 whole thrice. CO3 PO4 whole twice. Calcium phosphate formula is Ca3 PO4 whole twice. This is the chemical formula of calcium phosphate. Now write the chemical formula aluminum phosphate. Aluminum phosphate. How can you write the chemical formula of ammonium phosphate? First you write the symbol of both. Aluminum is Al, phosphate is PO4. Put the valency of both. Aluminum valency is 3, phosphate valency is also 3. So equal valency. So simple ratio is 1:1. Now cross multiply. Then formula is AlPO4. Aluminum phosphate chemical formula is AlPO4. Okay. तो दिस इज ये आपका जो है केमिकल फार्मूला, ये आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है। मैं कुछ दे देता हूँ आपको प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए, आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ये। आगे आपको हमेशा केमिस्ट्री आगे पूरा ये जो केमिकल फार्मूला आपको हर क्षेत्रों में काम देगा, आपको कंपटीशन से लेके हर चीज में। जब केमिकल फार्मूला ही नहीं आप लिख पाएंगे तो जो है सो केमिस्ट्री में रिएक्शन कैसे लिख सकते। Write the chemical formula. Write chemical formula. Sodium sulfate, ammonium sulfate, aluminum nitrate, aluminum nitrate, potassium sulfide, zinc phosphate, aluminum sulfide, ferric chloride, cupric sulfate, aluminum oxide, ferric oxide, ये हमने 10 आपको दिया है, 10 में आपको करना है। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच। कितना देर होगा सर?